Okay, as you can see, I'm selecting the display, I'm clicking OK, and boom, it's black.
A few inches later.
Before 5 minutes, I was also having the same problem. I was not able to catch this display in this way. So let's see how to fix it.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Avzal. Do not forget to hit that red subscribe button and that bell icon right beside it so you never miss any video we upload on this channel. So let's get started.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So here is a common problem haunting who are using this OBS software to record games, or who are trying to stream, basically live stream, and they are not able to capture the like this way, which you're seeing on the screen right now. Before 5 minutes, I was also having the same problem. I was not able to capture this display in this way. So let's see how to fix it. So you need to go to the NVIDIA control panel. This is the main graphic card in my laptop or PC. It's an NVIDIA processor. After this NVIDIA control panel opens, I need to go to manage 3D settings here, the second option to the left, and I have to go to the program settings, and I have to select the open broadcaster software, that is OBS.exe file here, and I need to change this to integrated graphics. Only then this can be executed, or this will work. So I'll show. So by default it is in this setting, use global setting, that is a main graphics processor. So it was in this settings and it was not working. Yeah, now I changed it. Restart the OBS once again. See, most probably it will don't work. You can see I'll click plus, which is add, and I'll select display quick capture, create new whatever name you want. I'll just type Korean, and OK. As you can see, I'm selecting the display, I'm clicking OK, and boom, it's black screen. So this was the issue which I was facing earlier, and you might also be facing this issue. So to fix that, go to your control panel, which is the graphics processor control panel. Go to your manage 3D settings, go to program settings, and select OBS here. If you don't find it here, go to add, and you can select it from here and click add selected program. And here the second one, we need to change this. Select the preferred graphics processor for this program. We have to change it to integrated graphics. Yes, the NVIDIA processor is way more powerful, but I don't know why, but it is working. But the OBS is working fine on integrated graphics. So just change to integrated graphics and click apply. So it takes a few seconds to apply. As you can see, now it's applied. So it's changed to integrated graphics. So just minimize it. Let's restart the OBS once again to see the magic. And you can see the whole display is easily captured now. As you can see, whatever I'm doing here on the desktop, it is capturing. You can see. Let's do this. Yes. As you can see, it is capturing the display completely. So that is it. So that is it for this video, guys.
And if you did really like the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button below the video and share this video with your friends. And stay tuned for more content by subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to comment down below how did you like the video.